Hello and welcome. In this quick video, I will show you how you can add Lightning liquidity, inbound liquidity to your BTCPay server. So first, let's start in BTCPay Server UI. You need to go to Server Settings, and here you go to Services. Then here you can see Write the Lightning. You can click on See the Information, and now click on the link here. It will open up Write the Lightning, which is a general management UI you can use for your Lightning node. Now we can see here under the Lightning menu item that you have a section which is called peers and channels. So let's open that. You can see we have 0 channels open, but there are some peers connected. So we will get into that in a few minutes. In this tutorial, I will show it to you with LNBig, but this works basically the same for a lot of other Lightning liquidity providers. And there's also a plugin that works with liquidity providers that implement liquidity provider protocol, but this will be a separate video. Go to lnbig.com and here you can see you can purchase Lightning liquidity. And here you can see how many Satoshis you will buy of inbound liquidity and how much this is in US dollars. So the size you set here depends on how much payments you do over your store, Bitcoin payments or Lightning payments. Because, yeah, let's say, I don't know, you have $500 payments in 1 month. Then you're probably flying with a Lightning channel with like this 1.6 million Satoshis because it will cover like 1,000 US dollars. So you could say like, but I need more because I want to run it for 8 months or something. So this is actually not needed because you can always send out the Lightning sats from your Lightning node to another wallet or swap it with Pulse Exchange. And then the Lightning channel will be empty again. So you have the full incoming capacity again. So it's not needed that you go with crazy high inbound channels, but you need to consider like you don't want to empty the channel every few days maybe. So maybe do something that will work for you, that you only do it once a month or once every 2 months or something like that. But right now, as you can see, also like really big channels, like this one with 12 million Satoshis, which is about 8,500 inbound liquidity, only costs 3,000 Satoshis, like $2.7. Keep in mind that LNBig will close the channel if you don't have any payments running over it. I think they guarantee you for keeping it open for 3 months. But if there are no payments, they will close it. The good thing is if you have a lot of payments, they likely won't close it at all. So they are happy that you route payments over them and they will earn some small fees with the routing. Okay, so let's go through it. Let's say, just for testing purposes, we want 5,000 Satoshis inbound. That's about 3,700 US dollars. Then you click here on I agree. And here you can see you need to pay a HODL invoice, which I will do now. Okay, the invoice has now been paid. And you can see here, it wants to have your node info. And the for the node info, we go back to our RTL. And here you can see public key. Node public key, you can also use the node URL, which also includes the IP address. I would suggest you to do that. So we copy this one and we enter it here. And then let's check it. Okay, this worked. And now please check the node info. Okay, this is our node. Do you want a private channel or public channel? This depends on whatever you want. I will do a public channel so it's easier reachable and visible. But also a private channel works. So yeah, your choice. All right. Okay. And that's basically it. You can see it works. And now it will take 3 confirmations on the Bitcoin blockchain until the channel will show up here. So we need to wait for some time until it will be visible. Okay, a few minutes fast forward, you can now see the channel is already in pending state here. So we need to wait a few more minutes to complete. Okay, as you can now see, the channel is now open and can be used. That's about it. So if you want to be not dependent on one Lightning liquidity provider, you could also open a second channel to another Lightning liquidity provider. But that's up to you. I think for starting it's enough to have one, but if you have a lot of payment, then you can do a second one. Thank you very much for listening. Goodbye.